All right, boys and girls, we're going to go over number 3. So the water is being pumped at 3 cubic feet per minute into a cylindrical storage tank with a circular base of radius 4 feet. Find the depth of water, D, as a function of time in minutes. So we got this cylindrical tank of sorts. It's pretty. And we have some water in it. Of course, we have to make the water blue. Blue water. So I have the radius of this guy is 4. The height of this we don't know, so we're going to call it D. It's being pumped in at 3 cubic feet per minute. One of the key formulas we're going to use is the volume. We're going to find out what the volume is based on the rate that it gets pumped in times how long it's being pumped in. So in other words, I have V equals 3 times the amount of time. So that's one equation I have. That makes my life happy because I can also have another volume equation, which is pi times the radius squared, that's 4 squared, times the height, which we don't know, whatever D is, for the depth of the height. So now, the good news is here, I have a volume equation here, I have a volume equation here, so I can set up 3t equals pi times 16d. So I need to write this as a function of time. So when I say function of time, so I have d is function of time. So d of t is the function I'm looking for. So since I'm looking for d of t, my input is t, so I need to solve this equation for t. In order to do, nope, scratch that. That means t has to be in the variable. That means I have to solve for d. Since it's d of t, I'm solving for this variable because the d is outside here. My input then is going to be t. So I'm solving for this, so I have to divide both sides. Oops, divide both sides by 16 pi. So my d of t equals 3t over 16 pi. You should always make sure and check that that actually makes sense. So substitute after, since t is minutes, after 5 minutes, does that volume make sense based on how much water we're going to put in there? So if I said t was 5, that means the volume would be 15. So since my volume is 15, does that make sense? 15 divided by 16 pi, is that going to give me my height? Yes, it is. So that works.